Hi physics folks, I'm going to show you how to use a second camera in addition to your desktop or laptop as a document camera. So there are a couple settings I want to run through really quickly. I apologize for the angle. I'd like to normally not shoot from underneath, but given my monitor setup and the recording setup, it's a little funky. So what you want to do first is go look at your video settings. And in your meeting tools in Zoom, you've already got a meeting going. Take a look at your video settings, which is from that up arrow and stop next to stop video. Click on video settings. Now what you want to see, I'm going to move this into my recording frame a little bit better. Notice this checkbox for mirror my video. You want to make sure that that's unchecked. I already have it set up this way because I've been using my two cameras at once for a little bit, but this checkbox should stay unchecked. So as long as you've got that, you're good to go with the camera so that it doesn't flip the image. And if you're handwriting, showing something on top of a table, pointing that second camera at it, you're good to go and the image is correctly oriented. So I'm done with settings there. The other thing I want to do is share my screen. And when you do that, you want to go ahead, click on share screen, and I want to pull this again back into my recording frame. Notice that there's basic settings and advanced settings. You want to go to advanced settings because the camera you want to enable here is actually this content from a second camera. So if I select content from a second camera and I say share, what you're going to see is my second little Logitech webcam. And here it comes into frame, pointed at my desk, but this is what you'll see. This is a great way to, if you don't have, say, an extra iPad, if you don't have a display tablet, but if you need a writing surface. Now normally, if I had a really good setup going here, I would actually fix this second camera because you notice the focus is a little bit blurry. You have to find your good focal length here to actually sharpen up what you're pointing at on your table. But I don't have that with me, and so I'm going handheld a little bit, which is why you see the camera shake. So, but you know, I'm also going to do this right-handed, and I am left-handed. But if you can see that the image is oriented correctly, and it actually picks up my handwriting on a sheet of paper. Quick and dirty, there's nothing really high-tech about it, but it will let you capture some content from a second camera as needed if you don't have an extra display going. So I'm going to stop my share here. And so this is the technique. This is how you would do it. It works really well for that, and I hope that helps.